Right, makita hammer. Customer says it's done nothing. No work got done at all yet. He's got loads of these. This is the newest one. Hasn't even been used. 2020 machine. I smell a bit of BS. Yeah, no work done. I smell something and it's not grease. It smells like bullshit. Well, she's burnt out anyway. Get on there, see what the crack is. Oh, hot. Something's not good anyway. It's definitely a motor. She's well cooked. Look at the tool holder. That's a rubber cap on the end, is totally worn through. Plenty of work done anyway. Plenty of oil getting out of it. Yeah. No work done. Look at the amount of wear on that combar. It's worn all the way down. Yeah, done nothing. That's seen a queer bit of work. Even the teeth are worn on. They're even worn down. That's gone, simple as. And if they're worn, clutch is never that bad, mind you. That's okay. This camshaft gear will be. That will be worn. Yeah. There's no point in putting a new armature on with a worn gear. It'll just cause trouble later. So we'll replace that gear too. And she must have been sparking fairly heavy. Yeah. Brush holder down on here so we have it burnt. So we'll also replace that. Just in case. Prise this boy out gently because it's very easy to break them wee tabs off. Yeah, it's all burnt there. That can be a rusty part as well. That gives any bother. Brush can start sticking on the holders, so just replace that as well. Everything else isn't too bad. Give it a wee wash out, as long as the hammer mechanism is working alright in this. Which it should be because I can't hear the hammer sliding back and forth. Top up the grease, get a new armature on it, a new brush holder, new brushes, and a new gear. Should sort this out. replace that. Probably replace the oil seal as well. Right, also replace that oil seal so well. One motor. And you can see how much that's wore away. That's unreal. Sometimes these seals can eventually leak. So a wee bit of gasket seal along with it helps. Just to keep her nice and tightly sealed. Don't forget that. Now, get it all back together. Don't forget your spring. Make sure she's free enough. You can turn that armature by hand. She's good. Big long brushes in these, designed to run a long time. Nice one. One new motor. Running like new. One makita hammer. The worn out motor replaced. Up and running again. Just the motor done. A few gears and a few seals. That sorts it. Hammer mechanism still working perfectly. Now, people are always asking, is it worth doing this kind of work? Like from makita hammer or any brand. Burns out a motor. Is there any point in replacing it? Well, this is a €600 machine to buy now today. That repair costs about €200. So about a third of the cost of a new machine. Hammer's working fine. Now you've got a new motor.